Of D'Angelo with Brown Sugar coming to you at 10:43, and of course we are continuing with our conversations this side, and right now I'm joined by Mohit Lohani from BrainSTREAM. Hi Mohit, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Okay, tell us all about BrainSTREAM. Who are you? What is it that you do?
Okay. So I want to start with the topic that was discussed over here about empowering youth and women over here. So it always basically starts from the young age. Like we have to empower our youth about science and technology and robotics. So this is what we do. We foster problem-solving skills and creativity in children from the age of 4-year-olds. So what happens in our class is we follow the pedagogy of STEM, and what we do is we create products in our classroom. We create games, we create robots, we create machines, we create animations. So all these technologies which all the other children around the world are aware of or are doing, we are trying to do it for the children here.
Yeah, sounds very interesting, Mohit. I want to know though whether Botswana or Botswana parents are interested in what you do.
Yes, so we have been running our services from last 2 years now, and every term we graduate about 100 students.
Nice.
And then the parents come at the end of the sessions, and then they see what they have created. Like they team up and they solve a problem. We recently had a hackathon as well. Usually the hackathon is for college-going students, but we did it for 4-year-olds to 18-year-olds.
Yeah.
And they solve the problems using the technology, using the products that we have. So it was amazing to see, and the parents are wowed by it. But yes.
Yeah.
So,
all right. Let's talk about the objectives of this expo and where you come from. I mean, what are your objectives? Why did you find it fit to come to this expo?
So this expo is about skill development, right? So the skill in the sense of right now we are talking about mechanical side of it with CNC machines and mechatronics and electronics. So at the same time, we have to start this at a much early age so that the youth is ready to take into this part. Right now, we want to give skills in the sectors of cybersecurity, and graphic designing, AI, animation. So all these facilities we are also providing for the youth.
Yeah, all right, absolutely amazing, Mohit. For somebody who's just tuned in and are intrigued, are interested in BrainSTREAM, where do we find you? How do we contact you? And also, let's talk about your programs. I mean, earlier on you're talking about the fact that you yearly graduate about 100 students. How long are your programs as well?
Yes, so these programs are termly programs, and students here come here for termly classes, in which they do 2-hour lessons with us, in which they learn about 3D printing and designing, laser cutting, all these new technologies which are important. So we are recently running a program for teachers, which is starting from 4th of December for teacher training, so that they are ready to take the changes which are coming in the curriculum. That is on robotics and coding. So we are training them, making them ready for the change.
Yeah.
So we are located in extension 11, and our contact detail is 396-1026, and can be contacted on WhatsApp on the number 74157292.
Nice one. Do you have any last words that you'd like to share with our listeners?
Yes, I would like to request that this is the need for our children. Like this is the need in every other school. If you go in any other country, STEM education, robotics labs are set up. They are there, and our children need to be aware of it so that they can compete in the real world.
Yeah, and by children you mean both girls and boys, more especially girls. I mean, earlier on we were having a conversation. I actually had from one of the speakers there saying, you know what, it's about time we start to put more emphasis on the fact that women too, or girls, can get into STEM and do it just as right as boys do. Thank you so much, Mohit.
Thank you so
much.
All right,
amazing. It's 10:46. I'm gonna quickly go to my next